Category 8. Universal Life, 7 priors. Type A versus Type B conceptual questions and short account value paths, continuous crediting, no lapse guarantees, last survivor Type A with joint mortality and cost of insurance, full Excel Type B profit with surrender charges, and a combo with equity-linked guarantees. Differences: Type B account value plus face versus Type A corridor and net amount at risk. Account value recursion only versus a no-lapse guarantee, reserve versus a full profit test. Single life versus last survivor cost of insurance. Attack checklist. Identify Type A or B and write the death benefit and corridor rule. Recurse account value, premium minus expense minus cost of insurance plus interest. Watch the quarterly rate used to discount COI. For no-lapse guarantee, compare the AV path to the guarantee reserve and minimum premium rules. If profit testing, feed account and cash values into the topic for profit engine. For joint UL, use joint mortality for second death COI. Grounded variance, Type A Excel corridor and cash value projection, UL profit with reserves equal to cash values, or Type A corridor plus no lapse guarantee in the same policy. Climb the 7 UL priors next. That is the strategy map for this category. Next, climb the prior exam ladder for this family in the companion markdown.